Hi everyone, it's me, Melissa Haole, and today's video is going to be show and tell time. And why is that so exciting? Because it means that Color Street's having their spring launch. We have two main launches throughout the year, spring and fall, and then there's also mini launches too, but the main launches always have lots and lots of nail sets. So I actually don't have them all. In this kit right here, this was the sneak peek kit that Color Street made available to just stylists. It allowed us to pre-purchase 16 of the nail strips that will be coming out on the 19th. But that's not all of them. I believe that's only around half of them. And I haven't seen the rest. They haven't clued us in on those yet. So I believe they're going to allow Color Street stylists to see all of the nail sets on the 18th. So if you're not already a member of my Facebook community, make sure you go there and join if you want to see those sets before the release. Because as soon as I get the images from Color Street, I will be posting them there. And my Facebook group is just facebook.sassygirlnails.com. So head on over there, request to join now, and that way when I post the rest of the pictures, you'll be in there already to see them. But today we've got 16 of those strips to show you guys. And I just love the fact that Color Street does allow us to order some of those kits before the launch because it allows us to show it to you guys. And you guys know I love Color Street, so I always get excited to see new sets. And they always look so much better in person than they do on the pictures anyway. So today I'm going to show you this bundle right here, and let's get started.
We interrupt this program for a special alert. Hey guys, I know many of you have shown interest in becoming a Color Street nail stylist, and I just wanted to share with you a promo that's going on right now for stylists that join in March. Those that achieve our Jumpstart, which is when you have $1,000 in sales in your first 35 days, will also receive, in addition to the $50 credit that you normally would get, 5 full sets of this stylist exclusive design. So you can't purchase this, you can only earn them by being a stylist. I wanted to bring this up now because if you think you're going to become a stylist and you're going to shop anyway from our spring collection, then it makes much more sense to sign up today, and that way you can order your spring nail sets through your own nail bar so you'll earn commission on those nails. Plus, you'll start earning hostess rewards too, which is another way of earning a lot of free nail sets. So if you're interested, you can head on over to join.sassygirlnails.com or send me a message, and I'm happy to help you get started tonight.
All right, so I'm just going to open it up with some scissors. All right, put this on the table. Oh, okay, let's see what we've got. Okay, I'm already in love with the first one. Should I show it to you guys? I'm going to show them all to you. Now notice something else is different besides just the design. We also have new packaging. Color Street recently released new packaging for our nail strips, which not only allows you to see clearer how to apply the product based on the graphic, but also it allows them to automate the process. Before, everything was being packaged by hand. But we've had so much growth and so many people love the product that they need to be able to meet that demand. So they've been able to create new machines that can automate this so that they're going to be able to produce much more, and eventually we'll be opening up in some other countries too. So they want to make sure that we can meet the demand here in the United States before we open up in other countries, and it's just really exciting. So just be aware the next time you order your Color Street, you might be receiving the bigger packaging as well. Okay, I'm going to dim the lights, set up the stage so that you guys have the best viewing of these nail strips. Okay, this one's called Party in the USA, and it's beautiful. It's a nice pretty pink in the background, and then it's got multicolored glitter. Look at that. This one is called Chicago Gold. Now notice that this one is also transparent. So think of this as like the gold version of Shangri-La. Now look at this one. If life gives you lemons, what do you make? Color Street nail strips. This one's called Squeeze the Day. So here's one of the solids. This one's called Greeking Out. Okay, here's a mint design. This one's called I've Got a Feeling. Woo-hoo! All right, come on. Doesn't that song pop in your head, or did I just basically stick it in your head for the rest of the day? Sorry. So I've Got a Feeling. Now this one I was like, I'm not sure, but I've seen pictures of this and it's gorgeous on. So definitely want to check this one out. All right, who's ready for some 60s? This is going to be tie-dye. It's called Peace, Love, and Tie-Dye. I just think it's so much fun. Definitely going to be one that you could pair with solids if you only want to use one of these as an accent nail, or you could just go tie-dye for your whole set. Now this one is beautiful. I actually seen this one already because when I was on the Color Street cruise, they let each of us stylists have one of these from the spring launch. So this one's called Flora Good Time. Isn't it just really pretty? Here we have another solid. This one's a really pretty pink. It's called Himalayan Salt. Okay, this one is kind of like a port wine color. It's another solid. This one, can you guess the name? It's Portugal. Portugal. Now, I know some of you may have been sad when you saw Miami Beach was being retired, but this one is such a close shade. This one's called Hotlanta. And in fact, on the cruise, at the last night of dinner, I was sitting at the table with the woman who came up with this name that works at the corporate office in Color Street. All right, look at this beautiful coral glitter. It's called You're Corally Invited. All right, this one I am totally excited for. This is called Fort Worth It. And it's totally worth it, right? Look at this. It's a silver, but it's holographic glitter. I just love holographic glitter. This is going to pop everywhere, especially when the light catches it. Okay, here's another glitter that is totally going to be on my nails at some point. This one's called Fiji Fuchsia. Love this purple. All right, this is another one that I know is going to be really popular. I think it's beautiful. It's called What Are You Up To? Okay, here's another solid in the collection. This one's called Ecuador Ball. And this one, oh my gosh, guys, how pretty is this pink? I am in love with this butterfly design. This is called Wing Woman, and I can't wait to try this one too. So that's it. That's all 16, but again, that's only half of them. So make sure you join my Facebook group so that you can see the rest. As soon as I get those pictures from Color Street, I will share them. And if you want to shop, these will be available for purchase on my online website, which is www.sassygirlnails.com on March 19th. And if you have never heard about Color Street before, perhaps you had just been scrolling by and popped on this channel, if you would like to try a free sample, I am happy to do that for you. To request a sample, just go to your browser and type in sample.sassygirlnails.com, and I will send you all the information on Messenger. Anyway, guys, I hope you're having a great day. Please comment below. Let me know which of these you're most excited for, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to be notified of future videos, and also check out my playlist for other videos that you can watch not only about Color Street news, but also on how to apply our product.